Hello crafters, hello everyone to our cozy corner of creativity. Today we are exploring the magical world of X-Mix craft. In this video we are sharing some beautiful designs where art, mindfulness and joy come together. We will talk about the benefits of crafting, hope it helps your mental well-being, how you can create with children, design beautiful ornaments and home decor, and even turn your creativity into a small business. So grab your glue gun, ribbons, and a cup of cocoa, and let's begin this heartwarming creative journey. Xmas craft are more than decoration, they are expressions of love, care, and imagination. When you make something by hand, a wreath, ornament, candle holder, or paper star, you are putting a piece of your heart into it. Here's why crafting is so beneficial. Boost creativity, you think, design, and solve problems. Reduces stress, craft slows down your thoughts and calms your breathing. Improves focus, you stay fully in the moment, concentrating on each tiny details. Creates joy. Handmade items bring smiles for you and for everyone who received them. Add warmth to your home. Handmade decoration feel more personal and meaningful than store-bought ones. Every ornament you make carries a little bit of X-Max spirit, something unique that no factory can reproduce. Now let's talk about mindfulness through crafting. Mindfulness, the art of being present, and X-Mix crafting is a perfect practice when you are sewing a felt ornaments, tying ribbons, or painting pine cones. Your hand and mind move together in harmony. Try this simple mindful exercise while crafting. Take a deep breath, feel the texture of the fabric or paper in your fingers. Notice the colors, the small details, and the rhythm of your movement. In this peaceful moment, everything else fades away stress, worry, noise. This calm focus helps your mental health, improves mood, and brings a deep sense of satisfaction. X-Mix crafts become not just decoration, X-Mix craft is not just decoration, it's a support, it's a mental health support, and you can create very beautiful things in your home. So every shared every shared laugh, every messy moment becomes a cherished memory, and when kids see their handmade decorations hanging proudly around the house, they feel accomplished and proud. And every moment you share, you may carry the little bit of X-Max spirit, something unique that no factory can reproduce. Try this simple mindful exercise. This is very helpful for you. The calm focus helps your mental health, improve mood, and brings a deep sense of satisfaction. X-Mix craft become not just decoration, but a form of therapy and meditation. The holidays are about togetherness, and crafting with children makes fun them even more special. When kids create, they exercise their imagination and emotion freely. Crafting teaches patience, creativity, teamwork, and fine motor skills. It also helps them appreciate handmade beauty instead of instant store-bought things. You can make simple and safe projects: paper, snowflakes, salt door ornaments, home decoration, making centerpiece, recycle cardboard, X-Mix trees, felt Santas or angels, glitter stars or homemade cars. Every shared laugh, every messy moments become a cherished memory, and when kids see their handmade decoration hanging proudly around the house, they feel accomplished and proud. Now let's talk about creative ideas to decorate your home using X-Mix crafts. Here are some DIY projects Here I invite DIY decoration ideas that brings rustic charm and mindful beauty. Felt ornaments, sleeve or glue small felt stars, heart or snowman, add beads or lace for elegance. Candle holder, decorate glass jars with jute, pine cone, and fairy lights. So here are some amazing ideas. So this holiday season, take time to slow down, make something with love and joy with the process. May your Xmas be filled with happiness, creativity, and warm handmade joy. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, togetherness, mindfulness. Keep crafting, keep doing very well, keep making something unique and beautiful. So, have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay blessed, stay connected, stay tuned with us. Thanks for being a part of this journey, and we are trying to making something amazing and unique for everyone who wants to create something, and we will try to bring again and again for you. So tell me about your opinion. What do you want to watch? We will definitely try to upload your on your demand. Mm. Thanks for your amazing response. God bless you all. Take care of yourself.